This is Air France Flight 447. On June 1, 2009, this Airbus A330 was cruising over the Atlantic Ocean when it flew into a storm system with severe turbulence. The plane's speed sensors, or pitot tubes, iced over, which gave the pilots incorrect airspeed readings. This caused the autopilot to disengage, and the pilots were left confused by conflicting warnings. As the plane approached its destination of Paris, France, the crew failed to recognize that the aircraft had entered an aerodynamic stall. At 38,000 feet, instead of recovering from the stall, the pilots pulled the nose up, which unfortunately only made things worse. For the next 3.5 minutes, the plane fell from 38,000 feet until it crashed into the ocean. There were 228 people on board. Unfortunately, no survivors. The wreckage was hard to locate because the crash site was in deep ocean. But days later, debris and bodies started to wash up on the beaches of the Caribbean. The black boxes weren't recovered until 2011, after deep-sea searches. The investigation revealed a series of unfortunate events, including icing of the pitot tubes, lack of stall recovery training, and crew miscommunication, which ultimately led to the disaster. It happened on what should have been a routine overnight transatlantic flight. The search for the wreckage took years, much like the search for the Titanic, and it sparked worldwide debates about safety, technology, and the limits of human endurance. All 228 people on board were lost, making this one of the deadliest crashes of an Airbus.